customer keeps filling his AC and it leaks out within a week. I'm going to show you the most common places to check for a leak and the best way to check them in this video. So I got in the vehicle, and first thing you can hear is you can actually hear inside the vents is actually making like a noise. That's usually a good indication your AC is low. All right, so a lot of AC systems from the factory will come with UV dye in them. So I got this pretty bad UV light that we're going to be checking this AC system with. What is it? The UV Beast V3. Grab this on Amazon. And if there's a leak, you're definitely going to find it with this thing. As long as the system has UV dye in it. I'll leave a link below where you can grab these on Amazon. But first, I'll show you how to tell if there's dye in the system to begin with. All right, so we just took the service caps off here, and you're going to check inside of the service port to see if you see any UV dye. I'm not really seeing any here. Let's check the low side. Okay, so the low side, it does look like we got some dye there. You can see that a little bit. So I'm going to show you the most common places to check for leaks. So with the AC machine hooked up, it looks like we got about 50 pounds of pressure without anything turned on. I'm going to go ahead and suck it down and see how much refrigerant is in here before we do anything. All right, so we only recovered 0.18 pounds. Let's see how much it holds. We're just going to check the sticker under the hood here. And it looks like 1.25 pounds, so significantly low. All right, let's start checking for some leaks. And you are going to want to use the UV glasses with this. So one thing we're going to want to check is your evaporator drain. On this Jeep, it's on the firewall on the driver's side. There's a little rubber tube right there. And from what I can see right here, it doesn't look too bad. So that's probably the third most common. Second most common, you're going to want to check all where the connections are. All where the lines. You can follow the lines off of the AC compressor and where they connect, or where there's any rubber, or there are any rubber unions. Like right there where the steel meets the rubber, that's another common leak point. Then you can look through your grill. And this first unit here is actually going to be your condenser. So this here is your condenser. You're going to want to go up and down each side of your condenser. And you can usually see this right through your radiator. But the most common leak you're going to find, and in this case, it's not going to be any different, but the front compressor seal. So you can see right behind that pulley, that's our AC compressor down there. And right behind the pulley, where that front seal is, you can see it's yellow behind there. So the front compressor seal is leaking in this Jeep. So looks like we're going to have to put an AC compressor in this one.